Hello. So we're doing another freezer meal workshop meal. We are doing jerk chicken lettuce wraps. Over here on my stove, I have cooked up some chicken in my new Brilliance nonstick cookware skillet. I have 1.5 to 2 cups of chicken measured out. It needs to cool before we put it in a plastic bag. I already got my onions sliced. Got my Rapid Prep mandolin here, doing my yellow onion. Calls for 1 yellow, 1 red onion, or peppers. These are peppers. And a small onion. So this one is super easy. The blade is here, so this is just plastic, so it is safe to pull that little piece out of there. So put that there. So, and this is our bag number 2, because bag number 1's waiting for chicken to get cool. Bag number 3, I'm not doing. It is 16 ounces of mozzarella cheese that I forgot to buy. So when I'm ready to cook it, I will have to buy some mozzarella cheese and get it ready to go. So, there. Okay. Got our scoop loop to get the stuff out of the seeds and membranes out of our pepper. Got a flexible cutting mat and our coated chef's knife. And the bag with the chicken, we are going to do 2 tablespoons of the Jamaican jerk rub. Jamaican jerk. And 1 tablespoon of the rosemary herb. I have a little bit left over from my taste buds. We need the garlic infused canola oil. Make sure I got the right one. And we're going to do 1/4 of a cup here. Chicken's pretty cool, so I'm going to go ahead and dump it in there. And then I'll add my oil. These 1 cup measuring bowls are great. They got the markings for 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4 cups, and then the top would be 1 cup, and also has the milliliters on the other side. Comes in a set of 6, and they do have lids. Easy read measuring cups, those are nice. See your liquid measurements, easy. Let's mix this around, get all those the rubs and the oil all over the chicken. Nice and seasoned, so as it sits. Alright. Then I have another bag that we are going to put this bag of chicken in and let more air out of it, and the bag of vegetables. And we are ready for the freezer. Alright. I lost my little instruction card, so I got to reprint it. I would put that in here with it. Never knew where I lost it. Oh well. Have a good night.